Say if you lie down with dog, you will catch flea. I'm lie down with you, so I catch flea. So I want to go to river, go wash it off. Guys, when I send back a request, I don't know back. I don't know. I don't know how enough over there hype up she. Why not hype her up? Why the fuck we not hype up she? We don't know if hype her up. Tell her to go back to school and learn something. Learn how to grow or picking them. I come like all that she didn't even know if you do to blood clot.
Police.
Catty.
Yeah.
What go on?
Me dey here. You big on that man, let go that. Let go that man, you big on that. Let go that. You see me? Just go and focus on yourself and then where they.
Are people honest?
You see me?
Yeah, mama, Catty, big up.
Yeah, we know I know. We know say people just be hypocrite to them and not tell them the truth. But you see, Meka is a look nice girl. She no need to get dragged, you know. Meka no need to get dragged. You see them look weird there?
Yeah, man.
So just ease up on that. You see me?
Alright. Say this, alright.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, my dog.
Yep.
Bad, my dog, room.
I don't got nothing my friend from a girl like this back a girl man from she not have nothing over my friend.
Yeah, but listen, she a one, but nobody this Meka. Left Meka out of it.
Yeah, with that. Yeah, happy girl.
Yeah, no, you know, I mean left Meka out of it and Meka cut up the man's shoes and she didn't buy.
You see the F1? Yeah,
Eh?
hear me? You see the F1?
No, I'm not here.
You see the F1?
Yeah.
It's good because when they try to report your live, when you put F1, they can't report it. So it's a good thing.
So I'm turn on back the chat then.
Yes. So anytime when we put F1,
Police.
them can't stop reporting. It prevents it, yeah?
Yeah, alright, mama.
Alright, cool.
Wicked man, I say.
Meka cut up the clocks and she can't afford it, dog.
I can't afford it.
Police, they
Can't afford it, so
I'm gonna tell you something. I
cut up the man's clocks and can't buy it.
See, you see if I have something and don't have something are two different feelings, you know. I have days when I'm there and want shoes to wear go certain place and I have no shoes to wear. And right now I have shoes till me like give it my clocks.
You see my back, them are this year. And if you go away,
better she put on the clock
like
the Graper Boy Club. Than the big old dirty slippers there.
She want to learn how to train the youth them.
Be careless, man.
The whole of them.
Better she put on the clocks, dog, than wear the slippers.
Yeah, cause the clocks are Bluetooth, you know.
Yeah, and there than her slippers that she have on. Like Annie did that wear it first when she young.
Yeah, one black slippers.
See Annie night already.
Police, go and bless up yourself and do your thing.
Alright. Yeah, that's
alright, me down. Bless up.
I always protect them now.
TikTok police, big up yourself every time.
First lady Kim Wagwan.
Oh, you depend, big up yourself, you know. Look, listen to me, hear what me I say, you know. You see right now, things happen at the past, just leg of the past. But you see if somebody this year just make one this and pause this so. Why I don't know, I don't know if nobody tired of Annie on the app, but why? It come like me free to take up my TikTok and go up on the TikTok man in time to hold me. Me tired of Annie. When me say me tired of Annie, come like TikTok of Annie no. Every day is a different. Why I don't know? It's like every story, me see Annie, me I say no man, me I say why? Me I say no man, Annie need for us literally like, and then you know the thing about it, she had tried to draw the kids and everything, and then
Yo,
You see, Meka is a nice girl, and Meka no really want to inner this, but Annie a jar inner this. Cause me see how everything I go, as she a jar daughter inner this. Because the daughter no like certain thing, because even Annie come on live can say Meka boo a give her face like make sure know so she could steal her love life or her relationship or whatever. So Meka don't like the fuck of what
Hello.
Annie a do, you know, but
yo,
I just she, you know.
yo. My don't laugh with me,
You
don't
see,
laugh with
anytime
me.
Annie
Yeah,
Tita
that boy,
hurt
yeah,
her, she
get funny,
calm.
that.
Yo,
When
watching up.
when Auntie Rock the teeth hurt her in her head, she calm. You see, when
Yo.
her teeth stop hurt her, at them time then she go on with be a thing, brother.
Yeah, me I hear.
Hello?
Me I hear.
Me go talk to you. So when more and Channel 11, you know what, admit. You remember when we just joined TikTok how we used to move? Me and Yancy and me go tell you something. You see?
Say that.
TikTok.
Yeah, my GS, sir.
What are the Kevin? They are fan. They are
Yeah,
fan.
hear
They are
me?
fan. What
Me
are?
I gotta take you down. You,
Yo, my own. Please.
Yeah, that's it. Now look.
Where did they
what
win? Everything
you
good.
deal with? The,
Man, me there, my own. Tell me, I'm in a
yeah,
fire,
me
my
say get
own.
all youth and be.